4846. During the initial acceleration on an instrument takeoff in a helicopter, what flight attitude should be established on the attitude indicator? A. Level flight attitude. B. 2-bar width low. C. 1-bar width high. The correct answer is B. During the initial acceleration on an instrument takeoff in a helicopter, the flight attitude should be established on the attitude indicator at 2-bar widths low. This is because the helicopter's rotor system is designed to provide a constant lift force, regardless of the aircraft's pitch attitude. Therefore, a small change in pitch attitude will have a significant effect on the helicopter's altitude. 4852. During a stabilized autorotation, approximately what flight attitude should be established on the attitude indicator? A. 2-bar widths below the artificial horizon. B. A pitch attitude that will give an established rate of descent of not more than 500 feet per minute. C. Level flight attitude. The correct answer is C. According to the attitude indicator, the helicopter's pitch attitude should be roughly level. 4861. The primary reason the pitch attitude must be increased to maintain a constant altitude during a coordinated turn is because the A. Use of pedals has increased the drag. B. Vertical component of lift has decreased as the result of the bank. C. Thrust is acting in a different direction, causing a reduction in airspeed and loss of lift. The correct answer is B. When an aircraft banks into a turn, the vertical component of lift is decreased as the result of the bank. This is because the lift vector is now angled slightly to the side, which reduces its vertical component. To maintain a constant altitude, the pilot must increase the pitch attitude to increase the vertical component of lift. 4882. Prior to starting an engine, you should check the turn and slip indicator to determine if the A. Needle indication properly corresponds to the angle of the wings or rotors with the horizon. B. Needle is approximately centered and the tube is full of fluid. C. Ball will move freely from one end of the tube to the other when the aircraft is rocked. The correct answer is B. The turn and slip indicator is a gyroscopic instrument that is used to indicate the aircraft's attitude in flight. It consists of a spinning tube filled with fluid and a needle that is free to move within the tube. The needle will align itself with the direction of the aircraft's movement, and the fluid will move to the side of the tube that is opposite the direction of the movement. Prior to starting an engine, you should check the turn and slip indicator to make sure that the needle is approximately centered and the tube is full of fluid. This will ensure that the indicator is working properly and that it will provide accurate information during flight. 4831. What indication should be observed on a turn coordinator during a left turn while taxiing? A. The miniature aircraft will show a turn to the left and the ball remains centered. B. The miniature aircraft will show a turn to the left and the ball moves to the right. C. Both the miniature aircraft and the ball will remain centered. The correct answer is B. A turn coordinator is a flight instrument that indicates the rate of turn and the direction of turn. It consists of a miniature aircraft that is free to rotate around a vertical axis and a ball that is free to move within a curved tube. The miniature aircraft will align itself with the direction of the aircraft's movement, and the ball will move to the side of the tube that is opposite the direction of the movement. During a left turn while taxiing, the miniature aircraft will show a turn to the left and the ball will move to the right. This is because the centrifugal force of the turn is pushing the ball to the right. The amount of ball displacement will depend on the rate of turn.